Attorneys representing Member of Parliament for St. Anne's South East, Lisa Hanna, say they do not see any evidence in the Contractor General's report on the St. Anne Municipal Corporation's award of contracts which would make their client criminally culpable. The attorneys made the assertion in a release earlier today as the People's National Party PNP said the matter has been referred to its legal advisor. It comes as the OCG report called for an immediate suspension of bushing programs island-wide. TVJ's Anthony Log reports.
Drain cleaning and bushing programs are things political parties have always quarreled about. That's all because it involves who gets work, which drains are cleaned, where they're located, and so on. But that's exactly why Contractor General Dirk Harrison launched an investigation into operations at the St. Anne Municipal Corporation and the office of MP Lisa Hanna in 2015 and has referred the case to the police and the DPP. But attorney-at-law K.D. Knight, who's representing MP for St. Andrews South Eastern Lisa Hanna, issued a release this afternoon. Mr. Knight told our news team that having reviewed the report, he found no criminal culpability on the part of his client.
Based on the conclusions and recommendations made by the OCG's office, I have gone very carefully through those, line by line, word by word, and I see no criminal wrongdoing.
Mr. Knight has suggested that it would be a waste of time for the police and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to comb through the OCG report to see if any wrong was committed.
Basically, for police officers to go through 554 pages and then launch a criminal investigation, I think is a waste of the time of the police. And for the officers at DPP to actually read through 554 pages, combing to see if there is any offense committed by anyone, it is a grand waste of time.
But given the findings, the OCG has ordered that bushing and drain cleaning work be discontinued with immediate effect island-wide until relevant due diligence and contract management systems are strengthened. And the People's National Party, in a release, said while it has taken note of the OCG report, it has referred the matter to its legal advisor and the Integrity Commission for a review. The PNP says until that review is done, it will offer no further comment on the matter, while adding that the OCG's report have sweeping implications for the political organization structure, including PNP councillors. Anthony Log, TVJ News.